Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Live Trading. Thanks for tuning into another live video. So right now, I'm snacking on some Starbucks. Tastes delicious. Get me into the groove of day trading. And today is day 28 of the small account challenge. And it's a live video. So you already know the drill. Please smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button if you like the content. Leave a comment in the comment section to tell me, good job, Key Live Trading. Continue the good work. But yeah, anyways, let me stop playing. But yeah, leave some comments in the comment section and let me know if you guys like the content and if you guys are rooting for me to grow this small account. But you know the drill. Once the market open, if I see a setup, I'll be taking it. Right now I'm looking at shorting Twitter. But that's it for now. I haven't really looked into anything really, but like I said, if something is presented to me in the market, I will be taking it. So tune in, and while you're waiting, like I said, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, thank you. Okay, another update, guys. Another update. I just basically averaged what did it be, averaging up or average, I don't know, but I add some position to my size. So as you can see, because I added to my short position, it brought me down, brought my average up to 50.80. So $50.87. So my average is right here. So if I'm right and it comes back down, then I'll be in profit. But that's just an update. And yeah, we still chilling, we still watching. BRB with another update, if there is. Okay, another update. As you can see, I'm up $80, well, 88, almost $100 on the day, and it's just tanking. But yeah, I'm gonna hold this for a while and see how much I can squeeze out. If anything, I might just break even on the day, if anything, but I'll just see how it plays out. I'm gonna try to hold that as long as possible, and then that will be the last update. All right, so I'm not gonna have you guys sitting here the whole time just watching me hold a position. But yeah, BRB, which will be the last and final update. So guys, I'm back and I took profit. I'm not really feeling the trade anymore. It's taking too long to make the move that I wanted to make. So I just took profit and called it a day. But if the trade was going in my direction as I wanted to, basically how I wanted to, then I held a little bit longer, but it's not. So I'm just gonna hold the profit. It's holding up too strong. I'm looking for this to flush. Like, you see how it flushed over here? I was looking for that type of action, a flush action. And as you can see, it's trying to creep its way back up. So it's just telling me that there's a lot of buyers in this market, even though it's supposed to be going down. So I'm just gonna take the profit, $52 in profit. I'm perfectly fine with that. And that's the end of the video. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in this trade. Yeah, I'm disappointed in the trade, and I wish it would have went in my direction how I planned it out. I was looking to squeeze a little bit more out of it, but it is what it is. I took the profit. Now I'm going about my day. I'm going to continue trading, looking for other opportunities, and do the YouTube stuff. Look what it's doing. See, it's trying to go back up. But anyway, I took profit. That's it. Do the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, comment, all that other stuff. And thanks for tuning in to Key Live Trading video. Yeah, I'm out. I'm blabbering, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully you guys made some profit today. Let me stop talking. All right, enjoy. Peace. I'm out.